Forward. We rush forward with our thoughts. For us, everything is possible. The future. The designer creates his masterpiece, builds it combining imagination, science, and technology. Time. The world has changed. It is getting harder and harder to push forward. Every second spent thinking has high price. These games are played like blitz chess. Speed. The boundaries between continents and countries are blurred. The universe is subject to the rules of a position from chess. Good and evil, black and white. To win, you need to move beyond this concept. Make revolutionary solutions. Solutions that can flip the board. The Sukhoi Design Bureau, together with UAC and Rostec, are about to present the future. Here and now. Pride, intelligence, power, reliability. This is the new 5th generation light tactical fighter. This is the Checkmate. Checkmate is a project for a unique smart aviation platform. Technology proven in real combat. Refined solutions. Cost efficient with high potential for modernization. Checkmate is designed using a supercomputer, electronic modeling, digital calculations, comprehensive virtual testing. This aviation platform was created in a record time, and today, Checkmate is ready for flight testing. Checkmate can be deployed on difficult, high-mountain airfields, operated in any climatic conditions. Open architecture, adaptability, and a wide range of additional options make it possible to assemble the aircraft in ideal configuration at optimal price. The plane comes with an automated Matryoshka logistics support system. It allows to organize staff training, lowers costs, and improves after-sales maintenance efficiency. A predictive analytics system is integrated into the system, allowing forecasting all the necessary procedures required by each aircraft in the fleet. Checkmate is equipped with an auxiliary power unit for autonomously powering its systems. The airframe design allows for easier maintenance of the aircraft. It requires a minimum number of personnel and no special aerodrome equipment. All this makes it possible to quickly prepare the aircraft for each flight and maintain a high level of combat readiness when flying high-intensity operations. Checkmate is equipped with artificial intelligence. The system independently conducts diagnostics of the aircraft and informs the pilot about readiness for takeoff.
Systems checked.
Smart crew support implemented.
The plane is ready for takeoff.
Due to the high thrust-to-weight ratio, outstanding wing elevating features, and a reliable thrust-vectored engine, the aircraft has impressive takeoff and landing capabilities. Reduced takeoff and landing distance. Checkmate is capable of maneuvering under up to 8G. It has impressive acceleration capabilities and can maintain continuous supersonic flight. It can instantly react to changing combat situations, move to the operating area in the shortest possible time, and complete its mission. Checkmate has the best payload capabilities in its class and the longest available patrol time when searching for a target and waiting for designation. It has 1.8 Mach maximum speed. Its range without additional fuel tanks is over 2,800 kilometers. Combat payload amounts to 7,400 kilograms. Radar stealth and an advanced multi-band passive detection system allow the plane to monitor the operational and tactical situation and reach the required distance for destroying its target undetected. Checkmate is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics to carry out versatile combat missions. In its basic configuration, its active phased array radar allows to simultaneously attack up to 6 targets, even under strong electronic interference. The aircraft can use a full range of weapons and effectively fight against any air, ground, sea targets, and the most advanced air defense systems. Artificial intelligence acts as a co-pilot and allows the human pilot to concentrate on operating the weapons.
Air-to-air missile selected. Target destroyed.
Checkmate's stealth configuration is capable of carrying up to 5 air-to-air missiles of various ranges. It can effectively fight for air supremacy against a numerically superior enemy. It can detect and destroy 5th-generation aircraft in both long and dogfight air combat engagements. Its unique electronic warfare system disarms the enemy. The internal weapon base of the aviation platform can house guns. They allow eliminating minor ground targets without wasting limited high-precision weapons. Suhoi's new light tactical plane has unique payload capacity. It has the largest weapons base in its class. This allows the use of all existing means of destruction in stealth mode, both bombs and high-precision missiles. The combination of high combat payload and low flight hour cost makes the aircraft the leader in its class in terms of price and combat effectiveness. Checkmate is the combat platform of the future. An unmanned version of the plane is already being created on the basis of a unified aviation platform. Checkmate can act as a command post for a group of manned and unmanned aircrafts, united into a single system, instantly reacts to the changing combat situation, automatically designate and complete tasks of any complexity. Yesterday's fantasy is becoming today's reality, a reality that illustrates the future. Breakthrough technologies, proven and refined solutions, incredible potential for modernization and unique combat capabilities. This is not just another 5th-generation aircraft. This is Checkmate.